In this video, I am going to explain Newton's laws of motion. This is class 9 subject, physics. Even this topic is there even class 8 also. So, Newton's laws of motion. What is Newton's laws of motion? He is Newton, Sir Isaac Newton. He gave the theory of force and motion in the form of three laws. Okay, he presented force and motion in the form of three laws, right? So, and those laws are known as Newton's laws of motion. Okay, let us understand one by one. Let us see. Inertia. He started using the word inertia. Okay, before we go to the first law, let us understand what is inertia. Right? Inertia is to resist. Inertia, main meaning of inertia is to resist. Resist what? Change. It resists the change. Inertia means which always resists the change, not interested to change. So, it is the tendency of everybody. Everybody has a tendency that to resist the change in its state of rest or state of motion. This is a simple definition of inertia. It is the tendency to resist the change in its state of rest or state of motion. So, let us move further. A body at rest remains at rest. A body at rest, cups, saucers, they are at rest. They remain rest. Say, you can observe very clearly. Three pieces are there. Tablecloth is removed. But those three things staying at the same place. So, the things are at rest, remains at rest. Okay. Let us see one more example. Now, athlete is running. So, a body is in motion, will be continuously in the motion. A body is in motion, remains in motion. That is what is inertia. Okay. Unless until an external force acts on it, that we will see now. Examples of inertia. A beautiful example, you can see two people are there, they are falling on each other. It's like a clash, but I will tell you. A bus example. The bus is at rest. You are standing like this. Right? Suddenly the bus moves. Then what happened? Suddenly bus moves means the whole body is in contact with the is in the bus, but only our legs are in contact with the bus. So what happened? Bus is at rest, the whole body is at rest, but bus moves, and along with the bus my legs also move forward, but the remaining body continues to be in the state of rest. That is why my remaining body falls back and my legs goes forward. This is bus suddenly starts from rest. You can see this fellow is falling back, right? And see, the legs are going forward and the remaining body is at rest, so it is falling. Now let us see another one. You can see this. Now the bus is in the motion. The whole body is also in the motion. So every body in the motion continues to be in the state of motion. But suddenly the driver stops. the bus stops, along with the bus my legs will stop, come to rest, but my remaining body is in the state of motion. Therefore my remaining body goes a little forward, falls forward. This is what is inertia. Okay, let us see. Here one more thing is there, like so many examples you can have. Carom board, coins you can keep. When you strike, when you kick it, when you strike it, what happened? These are the coins. Only down coin will go out, remaining coins will be there at the same place. But if the striker size is less than the coin size. So this is also a state law of inertia. Okay, so let us see Newton's first law of motion stated. This is the definition. An object remains in the state of rest or of uniform motion in straight line. Condition: state of rest, uniform motion in straight line. These only two states. One is state of rest, one is state of uniform motion. Continues, remains in the, remains means continue, remains unless compelled to change that state by an applied force or an outside force or external force. So here this compelled is nothing but an external, okay, force. So the ball is at rest. Ball is at rest. It continues, it remains in the rest. But if an external force comes and kick, what happened? The ball changes its position and it comes to the motion. Okay, so the person kicks with an unbalanced force to change the state of rest. A force is needed to change the state of a body. So let us have one more example, and because it is explained with the word of inertia, then this law is also said in the other way. It is all objects resist a change in their state of motion. This is another way of Newton's first law. Okay, and it is nothing about inertia. Resist is nothing but inertia. So that is why this Newton's first law is known as law of inertia. Law of inertia and Newton's first law, both are same. So in the examination, question will come like this: state Newton's first law or state a law of inertia. Explain it with an example. So there are some examples. Bus example, you can take it happily. So you have to define the law of inertia and you have to explain it with an example with two states, state of rest and also state of uniform motion in the straight line. See you in my next video. Bye bye.